This is an update on my Beeman A rifle. Got it about, well, I got it last year pretty much. And I had this crappy 4x32 scope that came with it. This was really annoying because it was just a piece of crap. It's like so small. And then about a couple weeks ago I decided to buy this Barska Huntmaster Pro 3 to 12 by 50 millimeter scope, and it came with a weaver mount, so I had to buy a weaver rail that fits onto the dovetail. So this scope is pretty amazing. As you can see, it's massive. Got the scope for only 40 bucks. It's worth like 150, and it's illuminated. It's got a illuminated reticle. And that's what it looks like without the illumination. And now I'll put it about halfway on 7, and that's what the reticle looks like when it's illuminated. It's really helpful, especially when you're aiming at a darker target, like maybe if you're in the woods and it's got a dark background. And that's the high setting right there. It's a lot brighter to the human eye. Camera can't necessarily pick it up. So that's a update on my rifle. Plan to go out hunting sometime, get some good shots, like, you know, rabbits, maybe even some woodchucks. That's a major problem around the farms. Me and my friend go shooting, and it's got the 3 to 12 zoom. You can zoom in very far. And this thing's sighted in like dead on, so it'll be getting a lot of good headshots. And it's in 22, sighted in 22 cal, as you can see right there. Because you can change the barrels on this one, as shown in my older video of this. So there you go. It's an update of the scope.